Hello folks, today we're taking a look at the super cozy 24-inch electric heater made by Innoflame. Let's go over everything it has to offer and see if this is a good option for you. So this fireplace is super easy to set up. All you need to do is attach the 4 legs when this comes in the box. The 4 legs are attached by 8 screws, so that's all the setup that you need. It's about 24 inches wide, about 22 inches high, and 10 inches deep, which doesn't take up much space, but it does have great view. Pretty much you have end-to-end fire display, and it's got the 180-degree view with the tempered glass. Provides you a beautiful view of this nice realistic flame. We have the heater right here, which puts out really nice heat instantly as soon as you turn it on, and you can change the setting between 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit to your level of comfort. What I really like is that it's an eco mode. You can just set it to the preferred temperature. Like I like it at about 71 degrees, and that's where it's going to keep it at. We have the controls over here just in case you misplace your remote. If you want to keep the heater running but turn off the flame, you can just do that by pressing here. And if you want to turn off the heater, you can press this button and it'll turn it off. It's got overheating protection, so it's going to keep on running for about a minute before it turns off. You can see that flame going down. I just turn off the heater, makes it really safe. It's got a really nice selection of the fire colors. This metal top is cool to the touch. It does not burn anyone. Same here with the heater. This grill right here does not heat up to a level where you can get burned, and all the metal and glass around also do not heat up to a level where anybody could get burned. So this makes it very safe. At the same time, it makes it very realistic fire and a very nice source of heat. This is going to heat up to 400 square feet space. This remote is very easy to use. The power button is right here, shuts everything off. Turn it back on. If you want the heater, you press this button, turns the heater on, and then you can select the temperature that you prefer. The heater is 1500 watt and it is super quiet operation. And it's going to add coziness and warmth to any room. The 180-degree display of the fire makes it visible to anyone in the room at any angle. So I definitely recommend this fireplace to anyone. It is not one of those super tiny fireplaces. It's a good size. I'm super happy with this. This is like the easiest fireplace setup that I've had, where you can just set it, turn it on, and enjoy the warmth and enjoy the fire.